if you already know how to use the shift list command, let's move to the next step. Cool. In the next step, we are going to show the curves first. This one, and also this one. This is a line that we copied before. And we need to build the points on these lines. So go to the curve options, use this one, divide curve. And we can just simply use this one to connect it, because this one has this one and this one, okay? As a number, we need maybe 10 for each line. So there are 10 points on each line here. You can just change the number of it. I just make it to be 10. Cool. And also I need to use the interpolate command, connect them together. Then I just add all of this. Cool. Add all of this. We need to show the numbers of the points. So let's go to the display option and find point list. Connect them together and give it a size. Maybe we'll start from 0.5 and let's see. Maybe it's a little bit smaller. Let me change to 0.6. And you can see all the numbers here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And number 1, and number 1, 0. If I use another command, flip matrix, we can see it more clearly. This, let's see. Number 9, number 9, number 9, and number 9. They are in the same line, and maybe we can have a look at this one. Number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which is the same logic to here, right? But we don't want the line connect to each other, like start from 0 to 0 and then 0, 0. We want it to be like start from 0 and connect to 1 and then 2 and then 3 like this. So we need to use the command shift list. Okay, let's copy and paste it. Okay, cool. And change the points to here. I'm not going to connect them at the moment. And we know the count here is not 5 anymore. We need to delete it. The count list should be the numbers of the section lines. So we need to know how many section lines are there. To measure it, if we want to check it, we can use the panel command. Okay, there are 31 lines. Cool. And then just connect them. And also, if we use this one to check the point list here, you can see there are 31 branches, which means there are 31 groups of numbers need to be shifted, right? And if we have a look here, it means there is only one group of numbers, and there are 31 numbers under this group. That is not the result we want it to be. We want to shift 31 groups of numbers, so we need to keep them in the same way. And let's go to the slides, use graph trace. If we have a look at it again, oh, sorry, we need to use this one to check here. Now it is 31 branches, 1 numbers under each branch, right? That is the result we want it to be, okay? And then we just connect them together, make it like this, cool. And connect them together. Now the lines looks like this. If we don't use the shift command, it will be like this, okay? Cool. And the last step, we are going to make the surface of it, just the structure of it. So let's double click and use path command here, or you can go to surface and find it here. That's one path here. Okay. Connect them together and change the radius to be smaller, maybe 0.3. We can do the opposite way structure. Oh, we tag it a little bit more. Just copy this one, and also this one. Control C, Control V. Here. And we can change this shift expression to be -x. Connect here to 0 for your shape comment. And you can see the opposite way structure now. Cool, in this tutorial, we are learning a new comment, shift list. Please practice it by yourself, guys. Okay, guys, this is the end of our tutorial. See you next time. Bye.